Yeah, hello guys. So you're welcome back to FinTech Space. So now, for those that qualify for the TAPS token, so kindly make sure that you deposit your TAPS to the BitGet exchange right now, and that is with zero gas fee. So let's get started. So click on play. Click on play. So click on drop. What you have here, drop. Click on drop. So now you can see BitGet exchange zero gas fee. So click on that. So do you have a BitGet exchange account? You need to add your BitGet exchange user ID and BitGet exchange deposit address to receive the TAPS airdrop. So if you have it already, click yes, I have it. If you don't have it, and click on no, let's create it. So or you pick the link in the video description to create your BitGet exchange. So click on I have it. So now let's go to my BitGet wallet, BitGet exchange rather. All right, so open your BitGet exchange. So now what do you want to do? Click on assets at the top, the left button, the right button. So click on assets and then click on add funds. Add funds. So now you are depositing crypto, so click on deposit crypto and then in the search box type in taps t. So you can see that TAPS, TAPSWAP. So click on taps. All right, so it's on Binance Smart Chain network, so that is the only network you have there. So just copy your address, so copy your address to be deposited into. So now that is the address. Let's go back to the TAPSWAP, paste in the address. So now let's go for the user. So we are back here. So now go back home. So click on the home icon. So now that you are home, come to this site, your top left side of your screen. So click there. So here you can see your user ID. So just tap on the user ID, it will automatically copy for you. So now you go back again and you paste it there. So once you paste there, you mark the checkbox. So, and mind you, this action is irreversible, so double check that your data that you pasted and you are sending to the correct address. Make sure you double check. So click on continue. So click on continue. All right, so confirm that you are sending this. So only accounts with a past KYC can be used for withdrawal. Do you get that? So that means your account must has been verified. So now scroll up and then click on confirm. So withdraw to BitGet exchange in progress. So taps will be available soon on BitGet exchange on the listing date. So and the amount I'll be getting is 205 taps. So that is just simple as and very much straightforward. Kindly subscribe to this channel and also share this video with your friends and other people. Until next time, this is FinTech Space with Team Biz. Bye for now.